Hey there everybody, this is Jonathan from Star EV Tech Support, and today I'm going to go over how to update the lithium battery using the lithium CAN box. The advantage of using this kit is that you don't need Wi-Fi or a smartphone app to be able to use it, so it's perfect for the shops that have connectivity issues. So what this update does is add maintenance charging capability. So you will want to perform this update anytime you've had a battery that's died while it was left on the charger. To perform this update, you'll need to contact tech support for the battery update CAN box. The part number for that kit is 2BT250, and you'll also need to request the thumb drive that goes with it so we can send it out with your box. Once you receive your CAN box, this is what you're going to see. There's the box itself with a cord attached, and then you'll have a thumb drive, and you'll have a USB cord underneath the cardboard insert. Insert the thumb drive into your computer and open the drive from your file manager. Copy the entire folder off the thumb drive to your computer desktop. This way, you can remove the thumb drive and have the software available right from your computer. Opening the folder that you copied to the desktop, you're going to see some folders, and they're going to be marked Install First, Install Second, etc. But you can go right to the bottom and open the file that says Lithium Battery Software Upgrade using ... Opening this will open a Word file with instructions that will walk you through the whole process step by step. So let's start by going into the folder and clicking Install First. Install this onto your computer following the on-screen prompts. In the Install Second folder, there are two files, one for a 64-bit machine and one for an 86-bit machine. Once this has been installed for a 64-bit machine, you won't even need to go further and install the ones for the 86-bit machine. Once you've got all this done, you'll get the USB cable out of the box. It's located under the cardboard insert, and you'll connect it to the CAN box. Now make sure that you push the connector all the way in. Otherwise, you're going to get an error when you go to try to connect to the battery. Once you connect the USB in to the computer, you're going to see the lights on the CAN box are going to light up. This is going to show you that everything's connected properly. Now before I forget, in the Install Second folder, there are two files, one for a 64-bit machine and one for an 86-bit machine. You will need to go into your computer's settings, then System, then About. Under System type, you'll see either 64 or 86-bit. That's how you'll know which file to apply to your computer. Now here's an example of the error message that you may see if you don't have the cords plugged in properly. First, you're going to connect the battery to the CAN box and use the read version button to see which version that the BMS board is actually using right now. Carry your computer out to the vehicle that you want to check and update if it's required. I like to put my laptop on the passenger side floor so it's out of the way. You're going to plug the charger into the vehicle. This will keep the battery on and make sure that it doesn't run out of power during the update. Now connect the CAN box cord with the silver end to the buzzer gauge port on the side of the battery. Your computer should be connected to the battery now with the CAN box in between. I like to have the software and the Word document open on the same screen side by side so I can see both of them at the same time. Now to begin, you'll use the Start Connect button over to the right. This is going to open the connection between the computer and the battery. Once this button turns green, there is communication going on. You'll see one of the version buttons also turn green. For example, the V5 button. Now you can click the Read Version button. Now if your version data doesn't match, we're going to perform the update so that it will match. To begin, you're going to enter the password energy, all in lowercase, into the password box. Now you're going to click the Select Software button. This is going to take you to browse your computer for the file that matches the board that's in the car. So if your board is a V4, in this case, you're going to select the file that says V4. But the one that's in this car is a V5. So that's the one I'm going to choose from the file folder. Now just click the file that is inside. Once that software has been selected, it will show in the update box, ready to be written to the BMS. You will also be shown the size of the file. In my case, it's 89 kilobytes. click the Update Start button. It will turn green, and you will see the send amount starting to climb. Once it reaches the full amount of data, in my case 89 kilobytes, the update will be done. As you can see here, we've reached 88 and now 89 kilobytes. This means that we're done. You'll see the can heart measurement at the right start counting back up again like it started new. Now keep in mind there is an instruction chart at the very bottom of the Word document. This will show you which file it should be installed in each battery's board. So when in doubt, you can use the Read Version button and double check as you see here at the bottom. Now at this point, if the update has been successful, you can just go into the phone app and check on BMS updates, and it'll show today's date if you just did it today. Or you can click the Read Version button to check it that way, just as we did before. Now, here's some frequently asked questions when it comes to the update. Will it hurt if I reapply the update again? Now the answer is no. It just won't accept the update because it's the same one that's already in the computer. Another question is, are there any batteries that this update won't work with? And the answer is yes. The CK series batteries won't accept this update. There's no way for it to be written to it. So those batteries, you would just return to Star EV, and we'll exchange one for that battery, and that way you'll get a different battery that has the update already installed. Once you've checked and made sure that the update was successful, whether it's using the chart down at the bottom of the instruction sheet or by using the app, you're free to close out all the windows and disconnect everything from the battery. We recommend checking every battery that comes into the shop for its update status. Now this can be done way easier with the Star Lithium app, but this video will come in handy in case you don't have access to Wi-Fi or data signal or anything like that. Now, if you're one of our dealers or technicians, we're trying to get this kind of information out to you guys as fast as possible. To be able to do that, you're going to need to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way YouTube will let you know every time we upload a video. So make sure you hit that button, make sure you click the bell so that you can be notified every time we upload, and drop us a comment to let us know things that you may want to see in future videos. Now, have an awesome day, and we'll let you get back to work.